What's going on, guys? This is Steve from SRJ Repair, and today we are going to be unboxing the Carbyne Tools 14-piece Torx bit set that they were kind enough to send to me. Alright guys, nice little blow molded case. These would be good for like packing around in a car and whatnot. And it has 1/4-inch drive, 3/8 drive, and then 1/2 inch drive. Goes from T8 to T60. This is a pretty solid set, guys. They are an American-based company, family-owned, and they have great quality tools. I'll tell you that. We're going to do a review on these. Please be sure to check out the YouTube channel for the long form video of this review. Once again, guys, this has been Steve for SRJ Repair. I will see you guys later. You guys can pick these Carbyne Torx bits up on Amazon. Go check them out.